Hello, my name is Troy from F10 Motorsports here in Oakland Park, Florida, and today I'm going to show you around this beautiful 2015 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Okay, so this Land Rover has some great features on it, including the dynamic package. So the dynamic package includes a black grille, hood scoop, fender scoop, and mirrors. Now with this, you're also getting the red Brembo brakes and a couple of other things that are on the inside that I'll show you later. Now this Range Rover has a 5.0 supercharged V8 engine in it that pushes 510 horsepower. Now that 0 to 60 is about 5.5 seconds. The dynamic package pushes the top speed up to 155 miles an hour. Now on the front of this car, you're also getting a couple of cool things. The dynamic bending headlights on this vehicle, so when you go around a turn, the headlights will bend based on which way you are turning. With that, you also have high beam assist. So at night, there's a camera up in the top mirror here that will actually turn on your high beams for you. Now that's something that's really cool that Range Rover did, help you see a little bit at night. Now this vehicle also has something called active suspension. So this suspension actually raises and lowers based on your terrain, and you can actually do it manual, which I'll show you how to do a little bit later inside the screen, but you'll actually see on the screen right now that the vehicle can raise and lower by itself. Now this is cool because when you're going off-road, you can easily raise the vehicle up to have more ground clearance and also to raise it as far down as you can for it easier to get out of the vehicle. Another cool little feature that Range Rover did is when you unlock the car doors on the ground, it shows a little picture of the Range Rover. Cool little quirk. Coming to the inside of the vehicle, you can see that we have some cool features in here as well that I'll show you. Now this screen here is your regular navigation screen, backup camera, radio, everything like that. I do have a screen in front of me in the instrument cluster that is a 12.3 TFT screen, which comes with the dynamic package of the car. Now with this, you also have your panoramic sunroof, you have your Meridian sound system, which has 19 speakers, and you have a couple controls right here that you'll see. This control here controls how your settings are for the terrain. So you have different style terrain as well as the dynamic. Now, the next one down is your height setting. So right now it's in access mode, but you can raise it up to go into off-road height as well as your regular height. In here, you'll actually see that there is a cooler. Now this cooler can be turned on by the flick of a switch, and you actually get a little bit of, you can keep your drinks cold for the people in the back seat. Now with this car also, here on the screen in the center, you have your navigation system, your phone, your current position, all that type of stuff here. Working your way down, you have a button right here, which is where you can turn your air-conditioned seat on. Now with that, you can also control the rear seats as well. They are heated and cooled. Now in the back seat, you have some cool features as well. So this car has the rear entertainment system. So here I have a screen here and here for the rear entertainment system. Now on the bottom here, I can control the heated and air-conditioned seats for the rear. Now this car does have the wireless headsets as well as a controller for the arcade games. Now I can change the source and go to the arcade games here just by using this. There we go, now we got some arcade games. Now this does fold down with a couple of drink holders as well as the remotes for the screens are in here. Now for more information on this vehicle, you can visit our website, f10motorsports.com, or you can see some of our posts that we keep up with on our Instagram at f10motorsports_. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below. You'll see the link in the description to our website and the inventory on this specific vehicle. Thank you for watching.